Try out the app Simply Piano. The app works best if you have a piano or a keyboard. You could use something like this, or if you have a big piano at home, that would work too. And now we can choose from tons of different avatars. I did it! I got a certificate. I just unlocked the song library. There are so many songs to choose from. Just download Simply Piano and you can learn them all.
He wants something from you. Secretly on our server lies a civilization of hundreds, under the control of the player Ash.
Me and the devil walking side by side.
You're just like me.
Me and the devil.
Was that why you killed her? In the reckless way you did. You are just like me. You are just as evil, messed up, and twisted as me. I mean... Go ahead, open this chest. Tell me exactly what you see. Most feared person on the server is missing what he loves most because it belongs to me. Follow me. Open this chest. My very first commander-in-chief, when he disobeyed me, I took away what he valued the most.
What?
Don't get any ideas, though. Over here. The glorious leader of a strong civilization doesn't have one of those anymore. The point is, you... You are just like me. You are just as evil, messed up, and twisted. Spoke. Look at you, bro.
Oh, who are you?
Spoke, who are you, bro?
to these random players, don't you, Spoke? What do they mean to you?
Nothing. It's charity.
What do you mean? What do you mean kill?
I'm not gonna kill
I was just trying to play Minecraft. I was just trying to play Minecraft with my brother, man.
No, don't worry.
on.
It's not like...
Don't do me like that.
No. This is not my fault. This is not my fault. I'm being forced to do this,
It's
alright?
kind of looking like your fault, man. You would think it's man. Who are you?
If you think about it, no one has ever successfully captured Spook and has never been in a situation where he has to break out of prison. He's calculated and manipulative. In his own perspective, the things he did were for a greater good, which is partially true, by the way. Meanwhile, the others have reasons for why they'd become evil, like Wembu. He became evil because he was wronged and betrayed by people he thought was with him, like Prince, Zam Parrots too, and Flame Frags. Basically, what I'm trying to say is that Spook is the biggest threat to the unstable universe. Not Wembu, not Flame Frags, not even the Mafia.
It was clear that he was making a sacrifice for someone he cared about. And it was clear to me just from your silence that you just lost someone you cared deeply about. Which means I was successful. I gave you a friend, and where is that friend now? Where is he, Barrett? Where is he? I'm looking around. Where's your telescope? We gotta find him, Barrett. Where is he?